We're going to take a close look at these bamboo chopping boards from Larn that I picked up from the Amazon team. They come in a pack of 3 and they're in 3 different sizes. They are food grade, lacquered, coated little chopping boards there. They are a really nice thickness as well. They're not too, I'm not a big fan of the big chunky butcher style blocks personally, or the very thin plastic ones as well. This has the hole on there for hooking up as well. These are all, like all wooden chopping boards, they're all going to be dishwasher not friendly, so they're all going to be hand wash only. If you put it for the dishwasher, after a little bit of time, they're all going to split, and that is no matter which wooden chopping board you use. It's just the nature of dishwashers. So it does have a food safe lacquer on there to give it a nice finish, and 3 different sizes. You can use them for different things. Some people would assign one for veggies and fruits, maybe another one for meat, and one for just general snacks and things like that. It's up to you. They don't come marked up, so you're free to use. They have these hooks as well, so if you do choose to hook them up and keep them out of the way, that's a nice little touch. They are made out of bamboo. They feel really nice, very robust. And yeah, they're like a really nice quality chopping board. I'm looking forward to this. I think it's going to be a really handy addition to my kitchen. And I think they also look really nicely stacked as well. So just having that on your side would look really smart. I think it's a really nice little compliment. It makes it a little bit easier as well for multiple projects. So if you're having a big cooking day, if you've got a meal prepper like myself, this is going to be really handy to have 3 separate chopping boards on the go, having to keep washing them all. Yeah, really nice little product. Really good quality by the looks of things. So I'm looking forward to trying these out.